Good evening, students. So yesterday up to 5 problems we completed, right? Now today I will start exercise means problem number 6. Without using Pythagoras theorem, show that points A of 4, 4, B of 3, 5 and C of -1, -1 are the vertices of a right angled triangle. Prove करना है हमें, right? इसका मतलब indirectly ABC is a right angled triangle. Prove करना है by using the concept of slopes, right? Yeah. So what is the given information? वो लिखेंगे पहले. Given vertices A of 4, 4, B of 3, 5, -1, -1, right? Venus slope is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, right? Now we will find the slope of AB. Means A, B are the vertices. Y2 5, y1 4, x2 3, x1 4. So 5 minus 4 1, 3 minus 4 -1, which is equal to -1. Now BC, what are the vertices of BC? वही यूज़ करेंगे आप. BC means y2 -1, y1 5, x2 -1 और x1 3. तो is equal to -6 upon -4. तो minus cancelled, 2 3s 2 2s. Slope is 3/2. Now what is the slope of AC? C is -1, A is 4 and 4. So -4, -1, -4, which is equal to -5 upon -1. Minus plus हो गया है. 5 and 5 cancelled means 1. Now what is the slope of AB? -1. Slope of BC 3/2. Slope of AC 1. तो yesterday क्लास में हमने एक पॉइंट डिस्कस किया है. If the lines are perpendicular, then m1 m2 means product of their slopes is equal to -1. So here 3 lines are there. One is AB, one is BC and the next one is AC, right? What is the slope of AB? -1. Now slope of BC लिया है हमने, that is 3/2. That means you will not get the product as -1. So what I am doing? I am multiplying with slope of AC, that is 1. So -1 into 1, -1. Now which lines are perpendicular? AB and AC. That is A, B and AC are perpendicular. Therefore it is BC. इसका मतलब राइट एंगल फॉर्म हो गया है. Therefore AB is perpendicular to AC. Therefore triangle ABC is right angled triangle. Good? Good. Now question number 7. Find the slope of the line which makes angle of 45 degrees with the positive direction of the y-axis measured clockwise. Right? Angle दिया गया है 45 degrees and it is making with y-axis in the clockwise direction. ठीक है? Theta is given as 45 degrees and it is making with positive y-axis. This is y and this is x. Positive y-axis से कर रहे and it is in sense of clockwise, means this like this. This is 45 degrees. Now slope is equal to, when angle is given, tan theta. Therefore m is equal to tan 45 degrees. So tan 45 degrees value is 1. Therefore slope is equal to 1. समझ में आया? Yes. What is the next question? Find the value of k for the points P of k -1, Q of 2, 1 and R of 4, 5 are collinear. All means we have to find the value of k if PQ are collinear, right? So given points लिखा है मैंने, already condition दिया है कि PQ are collinear. Collinear means the points lie on the same line. Therefore in this situation how slope is helpful? ठीक है? If the lines are a same line, इसका मतलब पूरा लाइन को एक ही स्लोप है ना, either it is PQ or QR or PR, means slope of PQ is equal to slope of QR is equal to slope of PR हो गया है. सारे लाइन्स का PQ एक लाइन है, QR एक लाइन है और PQ एक लाइन है. सो दे आर ऑन द सेम लाइन. इसका मतलब पूरा लाइन का स्लोप एक ही है ना. यू आर डिवाइडिंग इनटू पार्ट्स आर द सेम लाइन, द स्लोप इज सेम. इसका मतलब इफ a is equal to b is equal to c, then a is equal to b or b is equal to c or c is equal to a is the condition, right? Now what I am taking, slope of PQ is equal to slope of QR layer, means any two parts equal karo, right? So I am taking first two parts. You can take first, second two, or first and last also you can. Now what is the slope of PQ? What are the given points P and Q? Yes, this is PQ, x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. So y2 minus y1, 1 minus half minus 1. 1 minus half minus 1 upon x2 minus x1, so 2 minus k is equal to QR. R, y2 5, y1 1, that is 5 minus 1 upon x2 minus x1, 4 minus 2. Now minus of minus plus, that is 1 plus 1 upon 2 minus k is equal to 5 minus 1 4, 4 minus 2 2. 2 ones, 2 twos. 1 plus 1 2 upon 2 minus k is equal to 2. Now cross multiply कीजिए. 2 by 2 is equal to 2 minus k. Yes, confusion हो रहा है, और एक स्टेप लिख दो, मीन्स ये डिलीट करो. 2 is equal to 2 of 2 minus k. Now 2 upon 2 is equal to 2 minus k. Now 2 upon 2 means 1 is equal to 2 minus k. Now 1 minus 2 is equal to minus k, means minus 1 equal to minus k, minus minus plus k value is equal to 1. समझ में आया? How slope is helpful in this situation also? Yes, are collinear in matrices already we done. If the points are collinear, then what we did there? Yes, area of the triangle is equal to 0. If A of x1 y1, Q of x2 y2, R of x3 y3 are collinear, then by using determinants, that is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, and put third column as 1 1 1 is equal to 0. Now substitute the values of PQ, that is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, then also you will get the result. So एक बार try करेंगे. What is the first point? K minus 1, 2 1 4 5. K minus 1, 2 1 4 5, and the last column is 1, which is equal to 0. Why? Because already the lines are collinear, therefore area is equal to 0. Now determinant कैसे find out करेंगे हम? Put plus minus plus. Now K of, remove the column and row where k is there, then write the remaining, that is 1 1 5 1, minus of minus 1 into, now remove this column and this row. ठीक है? Yes. Then what is the remaining? 2 1 4 1 plus 1 of, again remove these two, write 2 1 4 5. ठीक है? Which is equal to 0. Now what is the determinant of A B C D? AD minus BC. ठीक है? Now वो यूज़ करेंगे. K of 1 into 1 1, minus 5 into 1 5, minus of minus plus 1 of 2 into 1 2, minus 4 into 1 4, plus 1 of 2 into 5 10, 4 into 1 4 is equal to 0. K of 1 minus 5 minus 4, plus 1 of 2 minus 4 minus 2, plus 1 of 10 minus 6 4 6 is equal to 0. Minus 4k minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0 means minus 4k plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore minus 4k is equal to minus 4, minus minus cancelled, k is equal to 4 upon 4 means k is equal to 1. Whatever the method you are using or approaching, last final value is same in all the procedures, right? Whether you are using determinant concept or slope concept, the answer is same. If you know the two procedures, you can use either one, right? Either that or this. Okay? Yeah. So 5.2 completed, and from tomorrow onwards revision is going on for the month end exam, and the syllabus is sequences and series in maths 1 and measures of dispersion is second chapter in maths 2. ठीक है? Yes, all the best for the exam. ठीक है बेटा? Yeah.